Karibu and welcome to Lesson 3.2 of your MTTI Caregiver course, Conducting Continuous Dietary Monitoring. Let us begin. A feeding plan is not set and forget. A client's condition, appetite, and tolerance can change, so ongoing monitoring makes sure the plan is still safe and effective and catches problems early. Signs that call for a fresh look at the plan include vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal distension or bloating, unexplained weight change, or a sudden drop in appetite. Any of these can mean the current plan or feeding method needs adjusting. A caregiver's role is to recognize and report these signs promptly to the nurse, supervisor, or family, not to change a therapeutic diet or feeding method on her own judgment. Key point: never adjust a therapeutic diet, such as a diabetic or tube feeding plan, without proper referral. The caregiver monitors and reports, then follows the guidance given. Accurate, timely documentation: what was observed, when, and what was done about it. Protects the client and creates a clear record for the next person providing care, using whatever recording format the workplace requires. That is Lesson 3.2, Conducting Continuous Dietary Monitoring. Next up, Lesson 3.3, Drawing an Individualized Feeding Care Plan. See you there. Karibu tena.